Hello, and welcome to the Anti-Scene. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I have good news for all the outdoor people out there. As of August 4, 2020, the Great American Outdoors Act was passed. It is the biggest land conservation legislation in our generation. There's two parts to this act. First, it establishes a National Park and Public Land Legacy Restoration Fund that will provide up to $9 billion over the next 5 years to fix deferred maintenance at national parks, wildlife refuge, forests, and other federal lands. Second, it guarantees $900 million per year in perpetuity for the Land and Water Conservation Fund. So most of you out there who's been into our national parks have noticed or know about the badly needed maintenance for critical facilities and infrastructures in our national parks, forests, wildlife refuge, recreation areas, and American Indian schools. This major piece of legislation will dramatically improve access to the trails and public lands to conserve the place that we so love, and about 330,000 jobs will be created. These jobs will be a critical part in our nation's recovery. In celebration, entry fees will be waived every August 4th, which has been designated as the Great American Outdoors Day. But remember, we're still in a pandemic, so if you're going to one of our national parks, don't forget to bring a mask and practice some social distancing. I'll see you on the trail someday.